Okay, let's start with A, pronounced as A, similar to the sound your doctor asks you to make when shaking your throat. A. Next, we have E, pronounced as A, similar to the sound you make when someone tells you something interesting like, Eh? Really? E. I is pronounced as E, like in the word see in English. It's a long stretch sound. O is pronounced as O, similar to the sound you make when you are surprised or impressed. Oh, that's amazing. Finally, we have U, pronounced as U, similar to the sound your lips make when pronouncing the letter U. U.